Okay, hello again everyone. So this is the one I've been waiting for to unbox. The DJI Mini 2 drone. Yeah. So I got the bundle fly more combo. Yeah. With the 3 batteries, the charger, and the extra propellers, the remote control, and the drone. So it's 249 grams, ultralight. So as what I've read, in Canada you don't need to have a certificate, or you don't need to register your drone if you are under 250. So this one is 249, so hopefully I'm good to go. And okay, so yeah, so let's get into it. So it says here for ages 16 and above. I think it's this one. Yeah, so the bag is nice. I like the mini drone because aside from you don't need to register it here in Canada to fly it, as long as you're not in a restricted area. It's very small, like, oh, you can fit this drone in your pocket. See how small it is. It would fit on my palm. Yeah, so let's put that aside. Let's check what else in the box. So these are the extra propellers. And this is the for the remote control. I don't know if this is extra, we'll know later. It's a screwdriver here. What is this? Let's open that one later. Okay, so this is the charger. Oh, you know guys, it's heavy. Maybe it's because 2 batteries are there already. Yeah, and maybe the other one is in the drone itself. And we have some wires here. So we got 2 sets. One has a and both USB-C type. I don't know if it comes with the one for iPhone. They're all extra cord for, I think, for the charger. Yeah, there. There's nothing in there. I'm just making sure. Okay, this one maybe some I don't know. Oh, just the manuals, instructions. Okay, so this is the remote control. It's quite heavy too, guys. Yeah, and I think that's it. That's all in the box. Okay, let's check out the remote control. Oh. So this is the remote control. Oh, okay. So the other two, these ones are extras. Maybe just in case you lost the supplied one. These ones here. And so you have a spare here. Okay, let's try putting it on. There. Okay, so I think this is the antenna here. Yeah. So this is the, so you can put the cine or normal or the sport mode. And it has the power button here. Let's see if it, yeah, so it has 3 bars there. Let me try if I have S9 Plus Samsung Galaxy phone. I'll try it if it would fit here. Yep, so it does fit. So at the back it has the camera or the record button here, and I'm not sure what's this for, but I think it has something to do with the zoom in or zoom out feature of the camera. By the way, this is my first drone, so I'm still learning. I'm new to this. So let me try connecting the phone. Oh, okay, it has a wire here already. So this one is for iPhone. Wait, let's see here, USB-C, and let me see there. Try that one. If it does, then so by the way, when it comes to remote control, what I hate about it is the antenna, but this one, it's kind of nice. This is the antenna here. You will not be poking somebody else's eyes while trying to control it like this. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. So let's try this. There, it works now. That's it for the remote. So it's kind of nice because it has a strap there. to keep the, I think, the propellers in place. There's the propellers there. Yeah. Okay. Let's take this off. Stickers. Okay. Stickers here too. Oh yeah, so I'm right. I was right. There's the battery. The other battery. It's already in there. Yeah, it's really light. Now we're gonna open it like this. So this is the camera here. So by the way, this has it has a gimbal too. So it says 4K. Yeah, 4K. Charger. You can charge your all three batteries at the same time. Yeah, see this. And you can also use this as your mobile battery. So you can charge your phone using this. Just make sure it's fully charged. And let's take out the other battery. It feels like the entire drone without the battery has same weight with a single battery. Then let's see. Okay, so you see this on the side. So there's an input here. There's an output here. So when you use this, you can use it to charge your phone. I think they're pretty empty. And every single battery has a LED indicator here. Now I'm gonna charge it first. Okay, so that's everything in the box. I'm so excited to try it out. Yeah. So please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. Thank you for watching.